Many researchers believe that publishing paper is the final step for research. However, in today's innovation driven world, publication is only one part of the journey. High quality research outcome can generate both academic impact through publication and commercial value through patents. Research paper primarily disseminate knowledge. It helps research share finding, gain citations, improve industrial institutional ranking, and contribute to scientific advancement. However, once a research idea is published, disclosed through a journal publication, conference paper, thesis, or online platform, the novelty of the innovator may be lost. Therefore, innovator must understand the principle of patent first, publish later. Before publishing any research work that contain a novel process, product, algorithm, device, or system, researchers should evaluate its patentability. Filing the patent application before publishing help protect intellectual property while still allowing academic dissemination. For example, in fields such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, electric vehicles, smart grid, and biomedical engineering, a single research project can generate multiple journal publications along with valuable patents that may lead to industrial collaboration, startup formation, listening, renew, and social impact. As an innovator, our goal should not be limited to published paper, should strive to transfer research into protected intellectual assets that can create a real world value. Publication build academic reputation while patents secure innovation and support communication. The successful researchers are those who balance both publication and patent protection by integrating intellectual project right aware into a research process. We can ensure our innovation are not only shared with world but also legally protected for future development and commercialization. Many leading